Good day, everyone. We are the Growth 5. So today we're going to discuss the topic about the recurring versus one-time customers, understanding the key difference. So to start, what are one-time customers? So one-time customers are the customers or people that buy something or a product to a business once. So this type of customers are usually buy because of specific needs or sometimes about discounts or one-time event. So since this type of customers are not coming back to buy a product again, business are spend a lot of marketing to attract them. So and also this type of customers are can make a business income unstable uh, because these type of customers are expensive to maintain.
So now let's talk about what are recurring customers. Recurring customers, on the other hand, are those who make repeat purchases over time. They may be subscribed to a service, have loyalty to a particular brand, or need a product. These customers are highly valuable because they provide businesses with steady revenue and higher lifetime value. For example, customers who subscribe to Netflix or meal delivery services are considered recurring customers.
So let's move to the key difference between the one-time customers and the recurring customers. So let's start to the revenue stability. So when it comes to the revenue stability, business with the recurring customers have a steady income, unlike the business with those one-time buyers or customers are face ups and down in their income. So next is the marketing cost. So getting new customers is more likely more expensive than keeping the existing one. Next is the customer engagement. So recurring customers are feel more connected to the business, while one-time customers are usually forget about a product after they buy it. Next is the brand loyalty. So over time, recurring customers are develop a trust in the brand or company or business. It's making them more likely to buy again, unlike to the one-time customer.
So now take a look at some benefits of recurring customers. The first one is the predictable revenue. Since recurring customers make frequent purchases, businesses can rely on a steady income. Higher customers' lifetime value. The total revenue a businesses earns from a recurring customers is significantly higher than that one of a one-time buyer. Reduce marketing costs since they continue to buy businesses don't need to spend as much on advertising to attract them. Stronger customers relationship. They develop trust and engagement with the brand leading to long-term business growth. For example, think of Starbucks rewards members who return regularly for coffee because they earn points and receive discounts.
So let's move to the challenges of our one-time customers. So business that rely on our one-time customers may face a problem like first is the higher acquisition cost. So it takes since it takes a lot of efforts or resources to keep or bring new buyers. Next is the unstable revenue. One-time buyers don't return again to buy a product. So the income of a business can go ups and downs. So next is the lower customers engagement. Since once-time customers are not going to buy again the product that they purchase, so they don't build a strong relationship with the brand. Next is the difficult retention. So turning them into a repeat customers or a recurring customers are required extra hard work.
How to convert one-time customers into recurring customers? Since recurring customers are more beneficial now, how can businesses convert one-time buyers into long-term customers? So here are the five effective strategies. The first one is the loyalty programs. The loyalty programs have offering discounts or encourages repeat purchases. For example, airline offer frequent flyer programs. The second one is personalized offers. Use personalized offers using customers' data to recommend relevant products make them more likely to return. For example, Shopee suggests products based on the previous purchases. Exceptional customer service. Quick and response services create a positive experience that bring customers back. So the second one to the last is the subscription model businesses can offer for our subscription service to ensure recurring purchases. For example, Spotify, Netflix, and Milkit subscription. So the last one is the email and SMS marketing. Sending promotion, special discounts, and reminders can keep customers engaged. For example, e-commerce stores send discount codes to previous buyers.